Yeah, it's me again. I'm back with another video. By the title of this video, you already know what I'm gonna show. So, let's get started. And I'm sorry if you guys can't see that well, but we're gonna show my precious fidgets, in my opinion. These don't count as fidgets. I got this from a toy shop. Oh my god, I just realized it's starting to rip. Well, that's bad. As you can see right here, starting to rip. Yeah. But yeah, it's a cool fidget. It's a little, I don't know, cool, in my opinion. It used to spin, but there's something stuck in there and I can't get it out anymore. Okay. What I really like about this fidget is that it used to spin and it has pops, so pop sides. Next, this poppet that I also got from the toy shop. And yeah. I really enjoy this. This is like really calming, even though it's kind of hard to pop when you're not on a flat thing. It's so calming. Poppets are so calming. Okay. And then we have a monkey noodle. Or I actually don't know what these are called. My cousin, he told me that, some cousin told me that this is called the monkey noodle. And I agree. To be honest. Remember the World War? She's my I forgot. It's been a long time. Okay. But yeah, my little baby cousin, he likes spinning things a lot. And I do have more. I have a set full of 5. It's a 5 set. Yeah. Have pink, orange, blue, most liked color in the world. Green, my favorite color. And yellow, which I just showed you. And then we're gonna move on to one squishy that I actually got. This is one of my favorite squishies, stress balls. These are one of my favorites because it's a pufferfish. I used to have one, but I don't know what happened to it. It's down here. It's at a mall. You can also get it somewhere else. I forgot what it's called. But I really like this. I'm going to go back to that other place because it has more stress balls. So, okay. Next one, I do have more stress balls, but I'm going to save those for later. So, yes, you might be wondering what this poppet is. And yes, for the people who saying it's an avocado, it's an avocado. Yes, you're right, you're correct. I got this at DD's. At my local, I got this at my local DD's. It has more. I'm not pretty sure. I'm not sure if they have more of them, but you can go check. Yeah, I went to my local one. I don't know if I could show this one yet, and this is a little sneak peek. Okay, that's it. That's your sneak peek. That's your sneak peek. And we have original, classic, original and classic. Same thing. But yes, for the people who are wondering, yes, it's a hexagon. It is a hexagon. These are really hard to pop. I mean, like, really hard. When I say hard, hard. Oh my god. Okay. I attempted to get it. Oh, yes. I have an orange one. I don't know what happened to it. That felt good. And I guess I'll show my mini soda, even though it's not a fidget. See that? There's water inside. There's water inside. And yes, it can open. It opens. Proof that's water. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know. But this top can open, and you can store a drink in here, and you can still drink it. Someone gave this to me, and whoever gave me this, if you're watching, thank you so much. Even though there was candy inside. Okay, next thing. Next, this isn't a fidget, but I got it from Chuck E. Cheese. A long time ago, yes. Isn't this a funny end? Yeah. It's so funny. Yeah, nice. Okay.
Recoge todo eso en una bolsita, mijo. No quiero.
Okay, so you can tell that this is a fidget spinner. It's a Batman fidget spinner. I don't know if it's hard to find. I didn't get it from anywhere. Actually, I found it in my backyard. This I got it from Chuck E. Cheese as well. And I just lost it. No, never mind. The spins I got from Chuck E. Cheese. Looks like a shield. You know, my glasses. I hate my glasses like that. Fine, I'll show you guys. It's an orange for the people who sing. I actually got this at a Spirit Halloween. I'm not telling you guys where I got it. Yes, stretches. Yes, you can squish it. Yes, it is in orange, and one of my favorites. And it's a 3 set. Okay, yeah. You caught me. It's a 3 set. It's a set. I got these at for Halloween. I know I already saw that. But yes, I couldn't find this one. But then my Nana, she was sweeping. I helped her. Then we found it. You can squish it. You can stretch it. It's good. And then we have a banana. King Bob, King Bob, King Bob. Yes, you can squish all of them. Stretch it for sure. And yeah, that's the set it came out with. Then I got this also at the toy shop. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. I got this at the toy shop as well. Okay. And the remote controller. The remote control. They had a black version, so next time I go back there, I'm gonna get the black version. So I have both of the versions. But I mostly get fidgets over there. They have Pokemon cards. And as you can tell, yeah. Yeah. For people who were wondering, yeah, that's Pikachu. I like Pokemon. I love it. Oh well. And yes, this is a bracelet. Let me just get this on. Let me cut. Okay, it's on. Yeah. I got this. I didn't get this at the toy shop. I got it at my school. It has a little store. PBIS store. And my counselor, Miss Rutledge, ran it. And they have it back up again. So you will be seeing more of these, possibly in the future. Or I can get a mini Rubik's Cube because I lost my other one. But yes, it is very cool. Got it at my school. Got this at the, you know what? I'll show you them. I got this one at the toy shop. It's a diamond, a rainbow diamond, since it has different colors each side. I like this poppet. It's really nice in my opinion. It's really nice. It's a diamond. I got it at the toy shop once again. I got this one at a place, I forgot the name, but I got my soccer ball, then I kept on throwing it over. I kept on kicking it over and over and over. So I needed to get new ones every single month. But this is a little hard to pop. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is good. And my favorite, soccer one. I got this at the mall as well, but except I didn't lose it. Yeah, I'm a great loser. Not like loser. I lose things easily. So, yeah. And yes, it's black on this side, and it's all green on this side, which this is my favorite side, because the pop side. That took a long time. And the moment of truth. Yes, I have a stress ball in my hand. It's It's a stress ball that makes poop sound. You can stretch it.
Entonces habían mucho cochinero en mi casa.
Yes, it's a green stress ball. Of course, you can already tell. Yeah. Who am I kidding, man? Of course you know it. Okay. Okay, I still have a lot more time. But yes, this is a green stress ball. I really like it. I got it. Got it. I actually forgot where I got it. I think I got it recently. No, I got it at the same store Halloween I got my the 3 set. Saving the best for last. And this isn't the last one. The last one, I'll give you a hint. It's a puppet. And the puppet starts with an S. That's your hint. That's your hint. And this is the sneak peek I was showing you earlier. I got it from my teacher, from her treasure box. And teacher, if you're watching this, thank you a lot. But yes, it did come with a net, but then my cousin, Elena, she ripped it off on accident. But it's fine. I gotta live with it. Okay, yes. But yes, it is. I got it from my school as well, but except it was from my teacher. I'll give you about I'll give you about 10 more seconds to guess. 10, 9, 8. Oh, and don't pause the video. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time's up. So put your guess down in the comments what you think it is, and if you got it right, then ding ding ding, you're correct. It is a shark. A shark puppet. It is a shark puppet. You. My cousin, they also have one. Not only one, but 2. You. I got this one at Dave and Buster's down in LA. It was for my birthday. I'm not telling you guys my birthday. Never. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, please. I'm trying to get to 20 subscribers. So we've been here for 19 minutes. I cannot believe it. Okay, well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out. Love you guys. Bye.